Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to hide your gender on Facebook. Whether you're looking for more privacy or simply updating your profile settings, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's loaded, navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture or name. This will take you to your personal page. Next, tap on See Your About info. This option is usually located below your profile picture or name. Once you're in the About section, scroll down until you reach the Basic Info section. Here, you'll find details like your birthday, gender, and other personal information. Now, tap on the Edit button next to Basic Info. This will open up a screen where you can make changes to your gender visibility settings. Under the Gender section, locate the Privacy setting that allows you to choose who can see this information. To hide your gender, select Only Me as the audience for this section. This ensures that no one else can view your gender information on your profile. Once you've adjusted the privacy settings, don't forget to tap Save at the top or bottom of the screen. This final step will apply the changes and update your profile settings. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your gender on Facebook. Your profile now reflects these updated privacy settings, giving you more control over what others can see. Thank you for following along with this tutorial.